Hey Andrew, this is Melissa. I wanted to shoot you over that quick video and show you some ways that you can increase your online presence. So looking at your website, it looks really cool. I love this background. By the way, it's awesome. But just glancing at your website, it looks like you might not have enough content on that homepage. So Google has what's called crawlers. So they go through and they analyze your website, look to see how many keywords you have that's relative to your scope of work, like flooring, carpet, tile, Jacksonville, any of those types of keywords. And that's how they really rank your page and you get to the top of their search engine. So when we go and look at, I just pulled up your top competitor's website as well. So when we look at his, it just has a little bit more content, pictures, video, a call to action page down here. And also when you upload pictures to your website, you want to make sure that you're saving those with those relative keywords as well. Something to do with flooring, hardwood, tile Jacksonville, something like that. So let's go and see what we get when we Google flooring Jacksonville. So all of these at the top are the paid advertising. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. So these are actually Google My Business pages. And you really want to have at least 25 reviews, if not more. You can see they have a lot more. This guy has 204, 73, 86. So you really want to have a lot of reviews on there, pictures, and it'll really help you get to the top, these top three, because people typically don't scroll past this. They're going to pick one of these top three guys. And then if you go down a little bit, it's really good to be at the top of this organics too. So this is called all of the organics. So these are all people that aren't paying for extra advertising. They don't have it's not the Google My Business page. They're not paying any additional money. This is just organically their website is being found on the web. So I use this software program called Areps, and it basically analyzes your website. So when we go to your website, it looks like you're not getting any traffic to your site per month. Only one guy is clicking on you per month. Um, you do have 38 keywords, which is good, but you really need a lot more than that in order for your website to be ranking. You have 36 backlinks, and I don't know if you know this, but a backlink is any other website, blog, article, anybody that is referring your website and directing traffic back to you. So the UR rating is how powerful your site is in Google's eyes, and that's a 10 out of 100. And then the DR rating is how trustworthy your site is. So you might have some of these backlinks that might be a little bit spammy or not from very reputable sites. That might be affecting your trust rating there. And let's just take a look at your competitor's site here. So they have over 600 people coming to their site a month. They have almost 3,000 keywords, over 1,000 backlinks coming from 230 domains. Their UR and DR rating is it's pretty good. It's a 35 out of 100 and a 32 out of 100. So anyways, those are a few of the ways that you can get your website ranking a little bit better and try and get to the top of that search engine. I hope that this helped you out, and please feel free to leave me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks.